Am I fast? Your skin is visible to you? Now skin is visible to you, right? Difference between merged and joined. Okay. Merged can be done if there is same data is there, it will retrieve it out. Now it's visible, right? If you confirm it's visible, you can check it out. I hope now the PPT should visible to you. Thank you. So you have installed the Panda. Then this is the operations we can do. Data frame. I hope this is clear for everybody. Slicing as well clear for everybody. Merged. Merged means in data set 1 and data set 2, if the data is same, that will be obtained in data set 3. This is D1, this is D2, this is D3. If you see here, 90, 70, 60 data is same. That's why it's showing in D3. Whereas here the 800 is there, here 80 is there. It is different. So it's not showing. So if DF1, DF2 is same data with same columns, it is based upon the column, then only we can perform merge based upon the column. Here we have the column. For every columns, we will merge it out. Whereas coming to the join, here they never mind about the column, whatever the column may be. This will done based upon the index. So in 2010, whether the data set, this is D1, this is D2, this is D3. So from D1, D2, D3, the data will be corrected based upon the index. So first index is 2001. 2001, what are the columns we have? Interest rate, Indian GDP, and 2001 is available in both. So in first data we have interest rate and second data we have Indian GDP. And third, in second data set we have low tire as one column, unemployment one column. So it will add here. So we will fill the data. Then second index, 202. 202 is available only in data set 1. So data is 1 and 45. Second data, there is no availability of 2002. So data is NaN, null. So that's how based upon the joint, it will take it out. And when they come to the concatenation, it never mind about the index or column. This will just append to the end column of data set 1. This is data set 2. Data set 3 will be what? Combine of data set 1 and data set 2. So data set 2 will be append at the end of the data set 1. This is the concatenation. It will not follow any index or column. That is the difference between three things: append, concatenation, and joined. Okay, up to now we have any doubts, you can ask me now. I will share the PPT to you. So at that time you can able to check it out. The practicals, you change the different data and the different index, and you can able to know it out. And while you practicing, you have any questions, you can ask me in next class. Changing the index. See here, day is there, visitors is there, bounce rate is there. So how I should get? I should get 1, 2, 3, 4. Here I should get day, visitors, bounce rate. So day will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Visitors will be 200, 100, 230, 300, 20, 45, 60, 10. This is how I should get data. But here I am using this line of code. What is that? I'm setting the index as day. I'm setting the index as day here. So while setting the index as day, in place where I want to set in the day here itself, this place itself set as index. I'm saying true. Then I'm printing. Output is this one. So here the day is the index. If you see 0, 1, 2, 3 are not coming as a index. So default index is not there. So I can able to change the index. How means? With this line by using the method set underscore index. So like this, we can able to change the index. Next, changing the column names also, as I said before. How I need to change the column names? Actually, the order of the column names, day is there, visitors, bounce rate is there. See here I didn't use the set index, that's why it's showing the default index here. And in the place of visitors, it is showing users because I have used the method rename. As I said in the starting of Python itself, Python is very, very important, but you need to remember the names of the methods. So if you want to change the column means you should remember what? Rename. If you want to change the index, you need to change the value. Set index. Join, concat, merge. These all methods you need to remember it out. That's the difficulty in the Python. Remaining all are same. Next, I want you all to do this one. This is the important one where you can able to import the CSV file. Before that, you need to copy the file where you have the CSV file. So with this, I have completed the basic operations. What are the basic operations? Slicing. Slicing means dividing the data set with the help of tail or head. Merging and joining and concatenation. So how you can join two or more data sets? Join based on the index. Merge based upon the column. Concatenation, it will append in the end of the next thing. Changing the index, setting the index value. So changing the column values. So I need to say the data mugging. Data mugging means conversion of one data to other data. So for that, what we need to say, use it. Change HTML, set the values HTML. So once you complete this one, if you import this CSV file means, I will help you to use the mugging to change from one data set to other data set. So this is my path. C, users, Vikram, downloads, paddy.csv is the path of the CSV file. I have read it with the help of what? Read underscore CSV. I have read a CSV file and I have printed it one. I have printed here. So you download any one CSV file, or you can use any existing CSV file and you use it out. That will be printed on the screen. So now your data set is in the Python software. Now we can do operations, all the operations, what we discussed before. Slicing, merging, join. Now you check it out. What will happen, etc. Now I recommend you to import this data. Now time to type it out. Please try to import the data. Did anyone got? Did anyone import it? Okay. Let me share my screen. See, path should be give exact. Without, if you give wrong path means you won't get it out. So let me share entire screen. Now you check my Jupyter page. So this is the path I'm using here. Where I use that one. See, this is the Jupyter folder, Bob. In the here you can able to see what are there in the things. Is all that which we have executed here. See, this is the path. C colon users Vikram downloads and Paddy. Now I am going where the C. This is the path. You can see the path here. Okay, this is the path. What is the path for this one means? C colon and thing. So that path I have copied and I pasted here, and I just printed as HTML. In the place of here, I can use it to print. Print of what? Country or C. Automatically you can able to see the screen like this. Print of C. I have copied the path here. Print of C. What is the index means? Starting from 0. This index is the 0, 1 means first column. 0 means first column. Second row means maybe district. 2 means maybe market. Like this, you can import it out. Then after importing, so if the files may be in HTML or if the files may be in CSV. Now what I am trying to do here is, see, this is the import pandas as PDS. Again the file. I am converting this file to HTML. So Paddy file will be converted. I have run this file. After running, if you go to the home of Jupyter, here you can able to see the file name paddy.html. Again, the path I can able to copy from here. The path is printing here. You can check the path here. I can able to see the data set. This is the path of that data set. I just copied here. You copy the path and you paste in the website, you can able to see the path. See now, this is the HTML format of the data, which I converted in CSV. If you want to open the exact path as well, I can open. Where is there? See in the downloads, right? See. This is the CSV file. That is HTML file. See, this is a CSV file, state, district, market, commodity. So this file I converted into where? Paddy. See, state, district, market, commodity, HTML file. I have run in the browser. So like this, you can convert this file to the other file to this file. So here what I have is the code to HTML. You can give as 2 CSV, 2 MP4, 2 MP3, like that you can convert. But you should access the appropriate libraries. Without the libraries, you can able to do it out. In Pandas, it will support the CSV and Paddy time series data, all the data sets. So this is how you can able to convert the data from other to other. I hope most of you are not taking time to printing. I recommend I will share the slides to you. You practice it out. So if you have any doubts in this, you can ask me now. Where are you feeling difficulties, etc. See, to complete all the things, I am little bit hurried today. Anyway, I am sharing this PPT to you and video as well to you. I recommend to check. Yesterday, how many of you typed the things and feeling difficulty? You please, you can share. You can share. Yesterday as well, I said you to practice it, right? So with yesterday's session or today's session, you have any doubts, you can ask me now. Hello, is my voice audible to you? Mani, Ibrahim, I don't know till where you have done. Lavanya, Tulsi, thank you. It's audible, right? Can you display the CSV to HTML conversion slide once? Just let me. These two files, include these two files. Let me erase and let me write that code. Line 1, line 2, line 3 is C, the file dot to underscore HTML of, simple, this is the file name. File name here is C dot to underscore HTML. And then you give your file name. I have given as paddy.html. That's it. It will converted and it will go to the location where the particular thing is there, or you can check in the Jupyter bottom files or Colab as well bottom file, the name of the file. You copy that path and you type in the dictionary, browser. You can able to see the HTML file. Then any other question? Please show one more time. Which one? Which one you want me to show one more time? Muthu sir, can you say which one I want me?
No. That's only what you say. No, the HTML conversion. That's only I was asking.
Okay. Yeah, just 2_HTML. Kirtana, I hope you all got it right. Kirtana and Muthu sir.
Yes, I'm trying, Sanju.
Okay, Swami, nice explanation. Thank you. Thank you. Any other questions? You please leave. Once again, see, to complete the syllabus in time, I'm a little bit hurry. If it is a 1 month or 2 months or 3 months course, we will go very slow, 1-to-1. I'm trying to deliver it out. You try to get what I'm doing. Anyway, we are sharing the PPT and recorded video. You please take your free time, 1 more hour, and you practice each and every command, and you try in different directions as well. You will get it out. If no questions, I hope we can wind up.